Best garbage disposal repair in Johns Creek, Georgia. Call Around the House Appliance Repair today at 770-444-9336. There's nothing worse than having a garbage disposal that's old and won't run properly. Unless you have a brand new disposal that just quit on you. Leaving your sink to fill up with water and not drain properly. Are you experiencing any of these problems? Clogs, food not disposing properly, faulty switches, smells from your disposal, or your disposal just isn't working? Well, there's good news. We can fix those problems quickly and correctly. All you have to do is pick up your phone right now and call 770-444-9336 to schedule an appointment. Take a look at some of our Yelp reviews. Around the House Appliance Repair. Call 770-444-9336, providing the best garbage disposal repair in Johns Creek, Georgia. Call now for preferred appointment status or use the online form on our website at www.aroundthehouseappliance.net.